Good morning. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks, like my mom used to say, regardless of what it looked like outside. It is Friday, January 3rd at 8:20 in the morning, and we are working on my channel, relearning to draw after age 55. And today we are still working on the coloring book. And coming up with ideas has been a little tricky, but this weekend we've got a snow and ice storm potential. They're never right with the forecast, so it could be nothing, could be half a foot of ice or some snow. Who knows? It's all a guess up until it actually happens in the Ozarks. In thinking of snow, I decided to do a cat and mouse playing um, in a barnyard with it snowing and making a snowball, and the mouse is throwing a um, hi Octavia. The mouse is throwing a snowball. And what are you doing? This is the first time Octavia's gotten in the shot. So, hello, Octavia. Um, yeah, let's get back to this. So, in penciling it out, um, I got the cat done first, and then worked on the mouse there. I really like the mouse. It came up really cute. The cat I like as well. And what do you think, Octavia? She's got her own opinions, I think. Um, Put a barn in the background, bunch of snow coming down, little detail in the cat fur, and it's coming along nicely there. Hope it's not too faint for you to see it, but I'll start inking it out here in a little bit. The I was a little bit worried when I started this whether I could get the cat and the mouse to look right, and the body might be a little bit small on the cat, but I think it came out pretty well. The cat's paw came up really good, and but the mouse here, I was really happy with the mouse. Don't be afraid to try an experiment with new animals and new pictures. If you don't have anything that you can think of to draw, just scroll through the internet, see if you can find any ideas of what you might want to incorporate into your pictures. There's a lot of great artists out there. I'm not great at all yet, working on it. So we'll just keep trying and doing this as daily as possible. Again, if you do have a hobby that you've neglected for years, or want to start one, start it. This is a great mental exercise, and it helps me get my mornings kick-started, and wakes me up. So here comes my final drawing, and we'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. And I hope you have a great Friday afternoon.